Namaste. Welcome to the series of Chair Yoga. My name is Sandeep Solanki. Spine and pelvis, they are both interrelated. And most of the time when we work without putting a lot of attention to our spine. And that's the reason why the curvature of the spine starts losing, the stiffness in the spine starts setting in. For an example, if I am sitting on the chair, initially when I go in the morning and when I am working, my back is nice and straight. But as the work starts setting in, as the time starts passing, my spine starts losing its posture. I feel more comfortable like this. By the time I reach in the evening, my spine is usually a little slouched. This constant movement in one direction, moving the pelvis, if my back is falling forward, backward, my spine, my pelvis is moving forward. It's not very good for the spine because spine is very important, because your nervous system from your brain through your spinal cord reaches towards various parts of the body. So it affects the nervous system too much. So it's very important to keep the spine healthy and flexible. Along with the spine, also the pelvis. So this simple movement is a cat and cow pose in a chair. Sitting on a chair doing a cat and cow pose. So when we do this, we will keep both the palms on the knee, elbows are relaxed, knees are at 90 degrees. Now when we inhale, we will drop the head behind, moving the chest forward, moving the middle back forward, lower back forward, increasing the backward arch. This is called as cow pose. And when we exhale by rolling the spine the other way, the pelvis going behind, the middle back, lower back going behind, and dropping the head down. This is like concaving and convexing the spine. Both are required, not only one. Yeah? So we are going to repeat this 2 times. Every time when the chest opens, you have to breathe in, and every time when the chest collapses, you have to breathe out. Let's do it 3 times. Chair, cow and cat pose, or sometimes also called as chair cat pose. Inhale, dropping the head, don't strain too much of your neck, moving the chest forward, moving the middle lower back forward. Exhale from down, moving the lower back, middle back, chest and head. Exhalation. Inhale. Exhale from the lower to the upper. One more time. Inhale from upper to the lower. Shoulders are behind. Exhale from the lower to upper. This is how we can incorporate the simple cat pose by sitting on a chair. Spine mobility is very important along with the pelvis. When you do this, you will find a lot of release in your spine, a lot of relief actually. Keep watching our video. If you have any questions, any doubts, please do write to us. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Keep tuned to more such videos on the chair in our series of Chair Yoga. Thank you. Namaste.